My name is Catia Domingues, and I'm a senior ocean climate scientist at the National Oceanography Center. The Global Environment Outlook Report is the United Nations flagship assessment. It brings together the latest science on the triple planetary crisis: climate change, biodiversity loss, pollution, and waste, to inform policy and guide global action. G7 provides a clear picture of where the environment is, why it's changing, and what actions will make the biggest difference. About 300 scientists from 80 countries contributed to it. The G7 report goals is directly aligned with the National Oceanography Center mission, advancing world-class ocean science to support global climate understanding and help inform decisions that affect people and planet. A healthy ocean is a healthy planet. I was involved with the Oceans and Coasts chapter, and the take-home message is that the global ocean is undergoing substantial human-driven change. It's warming, acidifying, losing oxygen, sea levels are rising, and circulation patterns are shifting. These changes affect weather, extreme events, coastal societies, marine ecosystems, fisheries, and the multi-trillion-dollar annual ocean economy. Because the ocean responds slowly, we need to act now. We need to cut emissions, we need to adapt to the change we cannot avoid, and we need to put in place mitigation strategies to safeguard life and livelihoods around the world. G7 equips decision makers with the evidence they need to act now rather than postponing action to the future when solutions become harder and more costly. It also highlights a key reality. Those who have contributed least to environmental degradation often face the greatest risks, making this not only an environment challenge, but a matter of global equity and justice. What I really value about G7 is that it does not only tell us about the problems, it also highlights clear solution pathways, practical science options for transforming systems like energy, finance, food security, and environment governance. Ultimately, it's about turning knowledge into robust and timely action.